When you start building more advanced and secure network topologies in Azure, you will quickly realize that routing traffic manually can give you greater control. That's where route tables and user-defined routes UDRs come in. They let you influence the path network traffic takes across your Azure virtual networks. A route table in Azure is a set of rules that determine how network traffic is directed from a subnet to its destination. By default, Azure handles routing for you automatically using system routes. These default routes know how to reach the internet, on-premises networks via gateways, and other virtual networks via peering. But sometimes you need more control, like routing traffic through a firewall, network virtual appliance (NVA), or forcing it to go through a secure inspection point. That's where you attach a custom route table to your subnet and define user-defined routes. A user-defined route is a custom rule you create in a route table to override Azure's default routing behavior. UDRs let you define a specific next hop for your traffic. Here's how it works. You specify a destination address prefix like 10.2.0.0/16. You choose a next hop type like virtual appliance or VPN gateway. And then Azure sends all matching traffic to the next hop you define. UDRs are especially powerful when you are building hub and spoke networks, service chaining setups, forced tunneling through firewalls. When creating a UDR, you can choose from several next hop types. Virtual appliance hop type is for routing through an NVA like a firewall or IDS. A virtual network gateway hop type is to send traffic to an on-premises site through a VPN. Internet hop type is to force traffic out to the public internet. Non-hop type is to black hole traffic, useful for blocking specific destinations. And virtual network hop type is the default behavior for local subnet or peered VNet communication. Let's say you have a subnet where all outbound traffic must be inspected. You deploy a firewall like Azure Firewall or a third-party NVA and create a UDR that routes all 0.0.0.0/0 traffic to the firewall's IP. Now every packet leaving that subnet passes through the inspection layer before it exits. In another case, you might want all spoke VNets in a hub and spoke topology to send their traffic to on-premises via a single VPN gateway in the hub. You simply configure a UDR pointing traffic to the virtual network gateway IP in the hub VNet. Always associate your route table with the correct subnet. UDRs don't work unless the route table is attached. Be careful with 0.0.0.0/0 routes. This can break internet connectivity if not properly routed through NAT or firewalls. Combine UDRs with NSGs to enforce security and routing. Monitor with effective routes in the Azure portal to troubleshoot and validate how traffic is being routed. So, what's your key takeaway? Route tables and user-defined routes give you the power to control network flow inside your Azure environment. Whether you're segmenting traffic, enforcing security inspection, or managing hybrid connections, UDRs let you take control of your architecture with precision. Remember, in cloud networking, routing is not just about reaching the destination. It's about reaching it the right way, securely and predictably.